so today I'm going to be doing my December BoxyCharm unboxing. I realize that it's a bit late. Yep, it's definitely January right now, but I put this in a box and I moved and I couldn't find it for a bit, so yeah, there's that. Also, there is some other stuff that I got. I did buy some stuff in the pop-up, which came at the exact same time as this one. And I also did a quick try on video, or a quick try on with it, so that's a little bit new. If you guys are new, welcome to my channel and thanks for joining us. And if you are not new, welcome back and thanks for joining us. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and then click the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of all my upcoming videos. Please ignore the lighting and my plain background. Everything has changed a little bit. I will be making it look a bit better. I just wanted to get this video up for you as fast as possible since it's January and this is my December box, so keeping that in mind. Also, I will be doing an empty tour and a tour of everything once this is all figured out, so I will get those videos out for you. I'm not there yet, unfortunately. All right, so enough rambling. Let's just jump right into this, not month's box, December's box. So this is what it's looking like in here. Oh, this is and it is BoxyCharm Bubbles and Glitz. This is variation 59, and I'm just gonna set that aside. So in the box, let me just grab out the first thing I see. This is the Caliente palette by Artist Couture. I really love Artist Couture. We've gotten a few things by them already in the box. This is what the palette looks like. My only problem with this is that this is definitely more of a summer palette. This is definitely not a winter palette. I am wearing it on my face. You'll see me putting that on in a second. But this palette is definitely more of a summer palette. I don't think I will pull this out until spring, though I'm a little disappointed in the fact that they gave us this palette in December. So I love Artist Couture, but so this is a $30 palette. I'm not gonna say that I'm upset about it because I absolutely love Artist Couture, but it's kind of not the season for it. So I'm gonna use the Luxie 209 brush. This is what it looks like. It is a large shader brush, and I'm gonna go into my Caliente, I think it's called, palette. This is the Artist Couture one that I just got, and this is what it's looking like. So I'm just going to pick, goodness knows, none of this goes with the shirt I'm wearing. I'm gonna use this here as my crease shadow. Very pigmented. Okay, then I'm gonna take the Luxie small tapering blending brush. This is what it looks like here. It's the 231, and I'm just going to dip into the brown eyeshadow here, the matte brown one. See how well that goes on the outer corners. Oh, that's not very brown. It's looking very orange. Uh-oh. All right, my outfit in this look is not gonna, oh yeah, that's orange. Damn. Oh well, guess I'm getting a very fiery look today. I really like that color though. This would be such a great eyeshadow palette for summer. Why did we get it in freaking January? December. Technically it's a December block. Then I'm gonna use this gold color here. I'm just gonna put it on my finger. And, oh, that is pretty. Okay, and then up next, which was my bad, I totally forgot to use, was this here, and this is the Banana Powder Brightening and Setting Powder from Ofra. This I actually picked out. This is what the packaging looks like. It is just a banana powder. It is very nice. It just blends right into the skin. This is for your under eyes, and I'm super excited for this one. I've been using the banana powder by Ben Nye for a while, so I really wanted to try this one out, and when it came up on my thing to pick out, I totally grabbed it. I'm super excited to try this. For some reason, I forgot to put it on my face when I was doing my makeup with the stuff in here. Totally slipped my mind. The banana powder is a $35 powder. So the banana powder is actually more expensive than the Artist Couture. That's kind of crazy. All right, so next up in here is the Viseart Professional Seamless Eye Primer. And this is obviously an eye primer. I don't have anything by this brand at all that I am aware of. This is what it looks like. I did use it underneath my eyeshadow today, so you'll see me putting that on in a second. I'm gonna have to test this out a little bit. I feel like it may have made the eyeshadow patchy. It could have been the eyeshadow, but I've heard only really good things so far about the eyeshadow, so I don't think it was that. I'm not too sure. I don't know too much about this brand, so I haven't used it really before. So I'm gonna have to test that out and see how much I like it. And this is a $24 eye primer, so, I mean, okay.
I'll be waiting here, you see. I don't know if everything will be alright. Sometimes you gotta let go.
So it's a bit tacky, but it actually feels like it's gonna have the eyeshadow stick to it, which is kind of nice. Okay, then up next are some Luxie brushes, and I didn't realize we were getting Luxie brushes in this month's box, because if I would have known, I probably wouldn't have purchased another set, which you will see in a minute when I go through the other box. So I love Luxie brushes though. There's a set of 5, and they are a flat definer brush, the pencil brush, this is a small shader brush, then there's the small tapering blending brush, and the Luxie large shader brush. So I used these 3 from the other package. Obviously these ones aren't dirty, so you'll see that I actually used some of these while I did my eyeshadow. I absolutely love Luxie brushes. I wouldn't have purchased some more if I didn't. Again, didn't realize I was getting some more, but I don't need it. So the brush set from Luxie, which is the eyeconic brush set, this is a $40 brush set, which is why when I could get it for $6, I said yes and put it in my basket. So there's one more product in my December BoxyCharm, and the Elemis Superfood Glowing Primer Moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. I know this is expensive, so that's what that looks like. I'm gonna put a little dot of this on my hand to see if it's, so this is a primer. I'm gonna have to do some research on this. I'm not sure if this is just moisturizer or if it's primer, or if it's both. So that is what it looks like. Let me just blend it out on my skin. Oh yeah, it gives a little bit of a nice sheen to it, but it's not totally crazy. It smells really good. There is that. This is a $49 product. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm excited to try that. That was everything in my BoxyCharm this month. So I'm gonna total it up and put the price here on the screen for you. I think this box is definitely worth its value this month. But let's jump into this here too. So I placed an order, and BoxyCharm has these pop-up things where you can get a bunch of stuff for very discounted prices. It's stuff that's been in the box, or I guess has, or is going to be in the box, and if they have more stuff, they sell it for really cheap. Also, usually it's stuff that's come in the box that, like, so you have a chance to buy it if you really love it, or if you didn't get it and you saw it in somebody else's box and you realized that you didn't get it, it was something you might have wanted, which is why I picked these out, because these are all things that I really wanted to get and that didn't come in the boxes that I had from last year. So first up is the Ciaté London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. This is what the box looks like. It's super cute. I really like Ciaté London. I've gotten a few things from them in my BoxyCharm, as well as I picked up an eyeshadow palette from them a long time ago, but this is what it looks like. It's super cute. It definitely smells like watermelon, so that's nice. And so far, I'm liking it. I will put the clip in.
tongue-tied midnight. You can say all that you want, but you and I were meant for this.
It smells really good. I like this. I got some more Luxie brushes. So it's exactly the same set. You can see that I have used them. They are amazing brushes. I paid $6, I think, for those. I think everything I paid $6 for, like $6 each. So then I got this one here, and so this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tint Butter. This is in Teeny Bikini, and I have one of these already as well, and I absolutely love it. This is what it looks like. You'll see me putting it on. This is the color. It didn't quite go with the eyeshadow look today, but I still absolutely love this lip butter. I think this is an orange one, so it might really go well with this outfit, or this, no, it's really pretty. That's what it looks like. I really do love these. That's why I got this one, because I got the other one in a BoxyCharm before, and I absolutely love it. The only thing is this lipstick, or this one, doesn't quite go with my outfit. The last thing I picked up was this here, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Resting Beat Base palette. This is their palette that looks like this. I was really hoping to get this in one of my BoxyCharms when I saw it come out, and I was not one of the recipients of it, so I decided I had to pick it up. I am obviously wearing it on my face. So my thoughts on this are, I really like this so far. I think the blushes are quite pigmented. You can see that this one here has a little bit more of shine to it. So yeah, I really don't think I'm gonna end up using this Ego highlighter. I'll probably end up putting that on an eye for eye look and use it as an eyeshadow. So I haven't tried this one here. This is the Sunkissed Snitch, and I think I'll probably end up having to use that in the winter, considering my skin, or in the summer, considering it's probably a bit too dark for my skin right now. But yeah, well, that was everything for this December BoxyCharm. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!